What up, boys? This is the Roku trade I took. Um, yeah, it has strong ass open. In Discord, we signaled. What do we signal? Roku above 353.99, price target to 356.15 area. So that was our trade. I'm gonna explain why I did this. So first off, um, three things: levels, and then two indicators. The TTM squeeze is the top one right here, and then the stochastic slow right here. We have a video on our YouTube page going over the stochastic slow indicator. I've also recently started using the TTM squeeze, so if you guys want a YouTube video on that, just hit me up or I'll just explain it, text you on Discord or something. So I'm not going to fully explain these now, but I'll just say that they look bullish. But I can go more into depth in the future if you want. So yeah, two indicators and levels. I'll show you the levels. So first, if we go here, 90-day, 15-minute, or whatever, just back so we can get all this data. So Roku yesterday was in this little range. So I went back to see, how it reacted once it got rejected at those levels prior. And we also saw in pre-market here that it pushed up as well. So we went to here. And in pre-market, it was having trouble breaking this 353.99 level. And one of the tricks I do is that if on the current day, whether it's early in market open or pre-market or after hours or whatever, whenever you're analyzing your charts, if it's getting rejected and you see it as a current resistance for calls, chart it and then just go back and see how it reacted previously at the same level. So this level was 353.99, and I'll just make this big here. I'll highlight this. So this level, you can clearly see, like, the next line doesn't look from the naked eye that it's that big of a move, but clearly you can see it's like more than a $2 move, which is great, especially on a Thursday. And Roku has the potential to make big moves like that real quick. So yeah, you can see up here it got rejected by about the same level. As soon as it pushed through, went right to that price target, went right to the next. Today being a Thursday and I chose tomorrow's expiration, I decided to have my price target just be to sell at the first level. Maybe if it was Monday or Tuesday, I would have bought two contracts and cut one there and held to the second. But we saw that was successful there. Even here in this chop zone, every time it bounced above, it went up to 356, dropped down, bounced up. Same here, came down. As soon as it broke again, bounced up. Trade in the range. Every time is basically what I'm trying to say. It broke again here, went up. It's just simple trades. All you got to do is execute. So the levels were one thing. I saw that it acted how I wanted it to act previously, and now we see currently Roku is absolutely fucking shooting. But then on top of that, real quick with the levels, I've traded Roku before, so I know how it moves. And the TTM squeeze, real quick, what you want to see is just the light blue bars releasing for calls. That means that it's still strong buying momentum. The trend's still releasing, and there still could be more room to grow. Buyers are still stepping in. I can explain that, like I said. If you guys want, let me know. Hit me up. And then also stochastic slow here, essentially crosses to the upside, strong buy momentum, no signs of slowing down. And again, we have a YouTube video on that, or just hit me up and I'll explain. And then what you see on the screen here, these three lines, yellow, blue, and purple, they're called the EMAs, which stand for exponential moving averages. So essentially, I can go over these two if you guys want. Just hit me up, and if you want me to, I'll explain further. Because there's different types of EMAs you can use and whatnot. But I use these three EMAs, and what you want to see here is just across to the upside. So essentially, this blue line takes a longer time period of price action. So it's kind of, steadier and more convicting if you see these yellow and purple cross above for calls, and say this was to come back down, Roku was to dump, you would want to see the yellow and purple lines cross below with the candle below the blue to, signal that it's bearish momentum. So again, once you combine these three things, I've found is that it's very easy, or it's easier for me to, get in high probability trades. We're still trying to learn, but yeah, if you guys want me to go over anything further in regards to EMAs or TTM squeeze or stochastic slow, or how I use all of them together along with levels, let me know, and we can see, just so I can show you guys. So as soon as it broke this level right here, it was like literally right when market opened, push right up. Let's see, just for proof, I'll show you guys. 322. I bought a 355 call, so it shot through my strike price, and I think I sold literally right at the price target right here because it closed around here. Excuse me, right above here, I think. So yeah, guys, hit me up if you want to know anything else. ROKU is a fucking beast. Holy shit. All right, peace out.